What is up, fam? So I think I need to turn this down a little bit. I noticed my music was way too loud last time. Yeah, your boy got a fresh cut, you know it. Okay, so crazy, a little crazy. All right, so I was actually gonna hop into this sell here from this supply zone on the 15, but it went outside of my trading rules. The New York kill zone did not open yet, so I wasn't I wasn't trying to do that. I was trying to be consistent with my plan. Um, for me to wait for the New York kill zone to open. I mean, it would have been fine because obviously it was gonna open within the next 15 minutes. So maybe next time, if I see something like that, I can add it to my trading plan. Like if there's a doji right before the kill zone open or something, and it's already in the supply zone and rejecting, then I could potentially take some sells there, down to this next zone here, this little small demand zone. Because if I would have 5 to 1 would have hit, I would have gotten in right here at the closure of this doji. I would have put stops right above the doji, and I'm starting to target like a 3 to 1 first, and then I'll leave my runner for a 5 to 1. And so the 5 to 1 would have been down here, and it would have hit. So yeah, that would have been a nice trade. That would have been a very nice trade. That would have actually been an entry on the 15 and not the 5. So stops would have been, oh, stops weren't even that big. 50 ticks. 50 ticks, 50 ticks. It's not that bad. Yeah, next time I see something like that, I'll definitely take it. Here, let me take a screenshot of it now. So next time, let me, for kill zone. All right, there we go. So now I could take a picture of this. I'm gonna add it to my folder, and the next time I see something like that happen, I have no reason to not take it. So we'll do that. We're rejecting a lot of this zone here, especially on the 5 and the 1 minute, and the 1 hour is actually closing doji here. I kind of really want to see some sales happen because of this 1 hour doji. That's actually pretty strong. Pretty strong. I mean, if we can get some type of retest, maybe, but let's say I were to enter sales like right here. I'd probably put stops above this body high, and that's 118 ticks. That's what I don't want. I don't want that. So yeah, don't really like that. I like this doji, but I don't want my stops to be that big. I gotta wait. I gotta wait. I mean, it's almost here at this London low anyway. You know, it's almost there. So If it taps here, breaks through it, we're gonna go into sells. If it taps here, rejects it, we go into buys. So let's see what happens, because this is overall how my days start consistently. So I want to keep it like that because it's been working out really well for me. I don't want to change anything. Like this would have been fine. This would have been fine. Didn't necessarily tap it, but it created its high right before the New York kill zone opened. So I mean, like the high isn't even really right here. The high is literally like this doji. Oh wait, no, it's not. I'm stupid. That is the high. What am I talking about? What am I talking about? I don't know why I said that. Excuse me. Forget that. But yeah, I still believe we're going into sells, to be honest, because we have been in a pretty huge downtrend. We pushed down very heavily for Asian, which is weird. And then we pulled up for London. So now I'm assuming that New York is either going to come back down here to retest London highs or Asian lows. I mean, London lows or Asian lows. So if we break past London lows, I'm probably gonna more than likely target Asian lows, which is also this supply zone, demand zone. But if we reject here, then I'll probably just target London highs and then maybe this next supply zone all the way up here. So we'll do that, but we gotta see what happens, because right now it's just kind of consolidating a little bit in this zone. We have a lot of buyers sitting here, seems like. So we just wait. And if we come over here, if we bring this zone here and look at this zone to the left, this is a strong area for buys. This is also a strong area for buys. Strong demand zones here. And this is exactly where price is right now. So if we push through this strong demand zone, we are more than likely going to push through here. More than likely, because it just makes sense technically. So that's my analysis for the day. I think I'm gonna hop into a sell here. I might. I gotta wait, man. I need one of these tapped. I just need one of them tapped. That's how my days start. Either London high or London low, tapped, rejected, broken through, and none of that has happened yet. We haven't even had a tap of London highs yet. We're still in this consolidation zone. I mean, we're close to London lows. Yes. But enough? Is it enough? I mean, now we've broken this 15-minute area. Made some structure, but now we seem like we could be bottoming out here at this zone instead. Why is this a zone? This is a zone. This is a strong zone of demand. This one here. I haven't had anything happen yet. To really work out, I gotta wait for how my day starts. I just have to. I can't get into any impulsive or me trying to predict the market. I mean, I can't do that anymore. I can't do that no more. So, I just gotta wait at this point. A small retest here. I might consider sells. Right here. Or right here. But we want to end the week on a good note. We want to end the week following our setup, following our plan. So alright, now it's in this demand zone. I mean, it slightly tapped this London low. I mean, it didn't even tap it. It's like right there on it. But it's like right. Oh. See what this 15 does. Let's say I were to take this sell here. This would be an impulse sell. It stops above here. That's too many ticks, bro. I don't want to be risking like 200 ticks. I really want to risk like max 80, 100. Oh, we finally taps London lows. What are we gonna do here? Are we gonna break through? Say I get into these London lows after a break. First, like, because we're here. We're now technically going below the VWAP, so I'm gonna enter one, just one, and then stops at 17,412, 412. And then let's do, here's a 5 to 1. But see, if we start rejecting this low, I will go into buy. It might be rejecting. So we got our broke even hit pretty quickly. I'm gonna continue watching because it might be rejecting these lows. I just need a better confirmation. Because if it was gonna break, I wanted it to break. It's closing doji here. So we managed our risk well. Literally, like, look. Well, nothing gained, nothing lost. Over here, I don't want to get in on this 1 minute doji because it's not that valid. I want to see a break or a rejection. So let me turn off these kill zones though. Sometimes they kind of fuck with my eyes. I know that these are London lows. I know that. is this 1 hour candle close doji? But this could just be it. You know, this could be it. Past here. So I'm gonna wait a minute. A minute. 5 minutes to close past the doji. I mean, the London low. Come on. Before I get back in. It's bathroom. Back. Okay, we are pushing a little bit. Oh wow, I guess I could have just left my my stops where I wanted to leave them. This 5 minutes closing past here, so oh, I got in there. Now it's down here. It's happening. It's just this zone is making me like right here. This is making me a little weary. Maybe on this next 30 closure, I can so now it's here. See that? Sometimes looking at the heikin ashi and the regular candlesticks like side by side kind of helps me mentally. Oh my goodness, it's not what I need. If I would have taken that sell from that 15-minute top like I wanted to, it would have been great. And a good entry. I just moved my stops to break even too fast. Why did I do that? Now I'll probably have to look back to see why I did that. It's because it didn't necessarily play out how it normally does, so I was weary. Weary of the entry, because for all we know, we could be rejecting here. Literally. This could just be a retest. Let's push up. We definitely missed that trade though at the top. That was gonna be my trade. If we break past here on the 5 though, like right here at this level, I would feel way more confident in getting back into the cells just because of this level. I mean, we're pushing pretty heavy, but we got like what, a minute left on the 15, so the 15 could come back up and then flip. But what you gotta see, I gotta wait, man. I think we could get a break and retest. That's what we could get. So we got a break of London lows. Now if we could get a retest of London lows and then push back down, damn though, I could have held my trade. This would have been a good trade. Great if I were to just hold, but the patterns didn't necessarily play out how I've typically been seeing them play out this week. Usually I get some type of London high or London low test, but since highs were literally created right before New York kill zone opened, that's probably what really fucked me mentally. So now I know that in the back of my head, when I see something like that, see, it's starting to reject at this level. When I see something like that, I need to take into consideration, okay, might be going down. Don't start, please. Jesus Christ. We are below the VWAP, so I mean, unless we can push back up here. If we can get a retest. Oh, wait a second, we're closing. If we can get a break of this doji low, I will go into sells and put my stops above this high. So I put a sell stop. It's a lot of ticks. Let me just put 2 ticks. I mean, then I will target these lows down here. I'll do it like a 3 to 1. So I'll put do a 5 to 1 down here. But let's say it doesn't activate me and it closes doji right here. I might be getting into buys. So that's my play. I gotta wait for this 5 minute to close, but if this 1 minute is just retesting, look, this is like a healthy retracement, or retest, I mean, sorry, of London lows. So we could potentially get some sells here, especially how this 15 is forming. Some sells now. No. Yes. My mind is obviously confused. I need this 5 to close doji. I gotta wait for this closure. I just gotta wait. I got my sell stops in order. I don't want to put any impulsive moves in. It's a nice win. could be rejecting London lows like I wanted. I wanted either a rejection off of London lows or a continuation off of London lows. So it's all up to this 1 minute candle. I mean 5 minute candle. It is all up to this 5 minute candle. But let's say I get into longs here. Let's say I get into longs here, right? I would put stops below this doji. 72 ticks. And then I would just do like a nice 3-to-1. And then target these highs. That's a big one. That would be a really big move. So that's what could play out. Either or. This was a little risky. Take it. I mean, it's closing doji in the zone, but I don't like this because we're below the VWAP.
Order filled.
Oh, I just got filled. Now we're putting stops above here. I just don't like this. Like this. I just don't like this trade. What's here? Let me see. Let me see something. I think I'm gonna call it. I think I'm gonna take some buys. I think I'm gonna take a buy. I'm gonna reverse this position. And the reason I'm doing that is because it closed doji here, and this is also a demand level. We could be rejecting London lows, but let's see what happens. I'm not gonna put stops yet. To buys, friends. So we were pushing down, right? Just for a second. Let me just think about this for a second. I have time to think about it. Oh, here on the 5. Since I don't like it, I'm just gonna go break even. If it takes me out, it takes me out. Cause I don't necessarily like this trade that much. But yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. Now let's go down to the 1 minute. Alright, we're breaking through here on the 1. breaking through here on the 1 minute. We're already at break even. I'm gonna go a little bit more break even, a little bit less. We're gonna break. We should just break. We shouldn't even come back up to this zone or this level. So I'm just gonna watch. You guys watch that. I'll watch TradingView. Where did I get in at? 17,367. Short. 17,367. Stops above here. This little 3-to-1 here. Here's my first 3-to-1. So I got a 3-to-1 here, and then I got a 5. So let's just that, and I'm gonna trail my stops to the top of this here, because let's say that we reject this level, we're gonna push up, or yeah, this level, because look at that, it's not really. That's why I'm managing my risks here.
Order filled.
We just got stopped out. That may have been a little too aggressive, but I did it for a reason, because we're also in this zone. We weren't really pushing as hard as I wanted us to push. Just kept it at break even, but I did that for a reason. If it goes without me, it just goes without me. At this point, like, it's still a win. It's a win in my book. This is the other level right here. On the 5 and on the 15, I mean, it's tapped this multiple times, so we could just see another rejection off of here. It's already doing it. I mean, if it comes back up here to London lows and start going above London lows, then obviously we're going to start going back up. Oh wow, look at this. I knew it. So this is what we're gonna do now. Yeah, we're gonna take some buys here. Buys here. Stops below here. Ugh, that's a big risk. We're gonna do
Order
one
filled.
buy. Damn, we risking a hundo. Let's see. Risking a hundo. Wait, if I'm risking a hundo and I'm doing a 3-to-1, then shouldn't that be 300? Right? Or am I wrong? Maybe not. Stops could literally be like right above here.
Order filled.
So I'm gonna move stops up here. Where's a 3-to-1 at? Actually, there's a 5-to-1 at. Damn. It's actually a very good move. Here. Plays out. I gotta take a screenshot just for my own knowledge. But I'm pretty sure we're about to be pushing up now. Pretty sure we're about to start pushing up now. Just need this 1 minute to close so I can move stops to break even. Alright, I don't like this. I'm going to break even quickly now. I don't like it again. When I don't like it, I'm noticing I put my stops to break even quick. I don't like it. So. I mean, we were just at like 100 ticks, but. I mean, I like it, but I just didn't like. I wanted to just go. Just go. That's why I be moving my shit to break even quickly. Because if it's gonna pump, I want to see it fucking pump. It already came back down here once, so if it comes back down here again.
Order filled.
Alright, yeah, we're done. That was 100 ticks. Could have taken it at 100 ticks. Look at this 15 closing like that. $15's still open, so technically yeah, that's another thing. I should just really leave my shit, bro. or just wait for a better confirmation and then execute. It's just today's playing out a little differently than it normally does for me, so I probably just missed I missed 2 trades because I wasn't just letting it just play out. I guess I'm a little emotional today. Wait for this 5 minute to close above here, and then I'll probably get in again and put stops. Alright, yeah, we're touching that. We're touching London highs again, London lows again. So I'm just gonna go into some buys.
Order filled.
And this time I'm going to leave it. Got in here. I don't want it to break its own low. Because then it just does. But yeah. Actually, I don't really want it to break this low. It's 126 ticks. This would be our first loss if it does hit it. This would technically be a trade taken off of the 15 again as well. So if we come all the way back up here, this would pretty much be a 3-to-1. So I should have just kept my original entry, which was literally all the way down here. But hey, you win some, you lose some. Should be going into buys though. Should just walk away. I should have just walked away the first time. I was way too emotional this morning. I might just get out and then come back later because I feel emotions. I feel emotions, and I don't really want to be too emotional while I'm trading. But this is 15 more than likely going to be closing doji. So it could just kind of bounce around here for a second because the 15, pattern-wise, the 15 is going to close to, well, that's what we want. So yeah. It would come down here, this 5, and then go back up. So that's what I was thinking about doing. This was a premature buy. Three, 6, 9. This would be outside of the box. Alright, this next 5, I'm gonna go break even again. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't like this. It's gonna go, it needs to go. It might take a little longer than I want it to, but maybe it's just because it's Friday. It's because I'm not feeling too good about it. I'm not feeling too good about it until this 15 closes. What is this? The 15? Yeah, this 15 closes doji. Because now there's 5 minutes just. Let's just leave it. To be honest. Just walk away. Why am I so emotional this morning? It's because it's not technically playing out how it usually is. It's because it's Friday. Yeah, maybe it's because it's Friday. I just don't like this trade, bro. If it breaks it, then I'm out. I'm gonna get stopped out. And I wouldn't want to really risk this much. I only want to see what happens because the 1 hour is about to close. So if I lose a good bit, then I lose a good bit, but let's see what happens. I should have waited for this 15 to close first. Inside of the zone as a doji, but yeah, this is more of a demand zone, so it might take a little bit longer to play out type shit. But yeah, I moved my stops because the 15 is going to close in 2 minutes. So I need a real 15-minute doji low, and then I'll move my stops back after this 15 closes. Sometimes, like, tick profit, like 100 ticks, or not necessarily like a 2-to-1, but this 5 is closing doji 2. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna break even really quickly. Because if it comes back up to tap our shit, it can take us out of break even real fast. We got a 5-minute doji. It probably would have taken us out again here. I mean, a 15-minute. So I might just close this manually right now. I'm not liking this too much. I should have already been out. I should have already been out. Alright, this was a bad day. Probably gonna be done. I'm probably gonna be done. What am I in buys? I think I'll sell one to manage my risk. Just this was my original sells. First two. Make this trade, guys. But hey, if I can come out of this break even, but 13.44. That would be a huge risk on my part. Huge risk. Yeah, I should have been out of this already. I forced the trade today. I think that's what I did. Because I didn't really like the setup, but I still took it. This one. I moved my stops today. I shouldn't have done that. So now I don't really. Now I'm kind of fucked up in the head mentally. I think I should get out though. I think I should reverse this position into the cells.
Order filled.
And put stops above here. And then go into my next zone, which was all the way down here. Yeah, I should have already been out of this trade. Like, already been out of it. What, guys? I'm not trading that well today, so see what we can get.
Order filled.
Just can't win to lose today. Right, we are over trading. First loss of the week. We did not. I mean, we could still end the week on a good note, but what the fuck is NQ doing, yo? What is this volume? I already lost more than I wanted to on this account, bro. Break here on the 1 minute, that's a super scalping strategy, and I'll probably do a quick 2-to-1. Break here on this 1 minute. Today was not a good day for the Wu-Tang. Because NQ is just not with my strategy today. I'm down 147, 74. Wow, dyslexia. Or half 0.05%. You know what I'm saying? So technically it could be buys still. I really feel like this is buys. Like, I truly feel like these are buys. Like, I don't think we're coming back down here. Because look at this candlestick as well. This could just be a retest here to start pushing back up. Okay, I'm going to take one more trade. Take one more trade. We are going to let it play. I'm going to put stops below here. That's a lot again. Oh. One more trade. And if today is a losing day for me, then today is a losing day for me. Like, what am I going to do about it? What am I going to do about it? Alright, I'm gonna walk away this time. I'm actually just gonna do a 3-to-1 for both, to be honest, because today's just not my day. So we're just gonna leave it there for the 3-to-1. And this time, I'm just gonna leave it. I'm just gonna walk away. I'm gonna walk the fuck away, because we directed 1, 2, 3 times. We have this huge hammer candle on the 1 hour. Regular candlesticks. If we were gonna push down more, we would have just broken past London lows. We would have just broke. So technically we haven't. That's why I feel we are back up into buys. 17372. Okay. To come all the way back up here to London highs. I mean, that's possible too. That's usually what I would target. So, do it. Let's sell one. Let's sell one. But if it hits my stop loss, then I'm just done for the day. Because I technically didn't really need to. I mean, I could have just stayed with my original entry of buys. That would have been fine. Walk away. Walk away. I didn't know why I was so emotional today. I guess I woke up emotional. Maybe because I woke up a little late. I didn't really get to do my morning routine like I typically get to do. So I guess that could be a rule for me. If I don't get to do my morning routine in the mornings, I'm not allowed to trade. And that was usually take a shower, clean a little something. I mean, I brushed my teeth, I was in the shower. Then we're just gonna be hanging out here for a second. I think that was the test. That was it. So now we should be pushing up. Team 7275. Alright, I'm gonna walk away. If it hits, it hits. If my stops get hit, then my stops get hit. Put it on the 5, so let me watch on the 5. And you can watch this one. Because I need to watch that one later. Change the color of this box. It's fucking me up. If this is a losing trade as well, yeah, I'm done for the day. And I'm just gonna look back on what I could have done differently. I guess after 100 ticks from now on, I'm gonna go break even instantly. After 100 ticks. Because I was literally at 100. I think I was at 100 ticks. Still here. Why haven't I walked away yet? I need to walk away. I need to just walk away. Just walk away. Just walk away. Just walk away. I mean, if you have the correct, or you think you have the right entry, then why did you enter? Well, it closed doji here in the zone. We have 1, 2, 3 candlesticks rejecting, and on this side we have 1, 2, 3 candlesticks rejecting as well, and then we push to the upside. So I'm expecting it to push to the upside because this is a slight demand zone as well. But we did push down pretty heavily for Asian and then up for London, and now we're pushing down again for New York. So we could either see a continuation of Asian and push down, or we could see a retest and then push back up because of London. So that's what I am anticipating. We haven't really, I mean, we could just break, you know, literally just break, because look at this. Juvier would not have taken, or Juvier would not have taken this trade. I know he wouldn't have. He would be highly disappointed in me right now, as I am myself. Stick with the sells, huh? Work this week. I mean, it's not all gone, but it's about to be. Still rejecting the ups. Was consolidating. Say, I guess I didn't wait. I didn't wait for a good entry. I didn't wait enough. I saw 100 ticks earlier. I could have taken that. I didn't take it. I should only be doing like a 2-to-1, 3-to-1 during breakouts, but like during shit like this, like demand zones and shit, I should be paying attention. I should maybe, I guess, backtest a little more on the demand zones, because I backtested more on the breakouts, not so much the demand and supply zones. That's why this isn't playing out that well for me, because my strategy is based on breakouts, like false breakout or true breakout, and this isn't really, it's not playing out. Again. Guys, at this level, because we came up, I was figuring this would be a retest on the 1 minute to push back up, because we came up here and broke past this level and came back down. I figured this was like a little retest to push back up, but maybe not. So I guess we'll see. My emotions are wild today. Wow, I'm wild. Ooh. Just know if we break past here, we're gonna see a break. And if we do, I'm more than likely just gonna go into sells, because I know at that point it's gonna be completely valid. So then why did I get into buys here? Today I'm forcing trades. Fridays used to never be a good day for me. Usually never a good day for me. Yeah.
Order filled.
Right past here. Oh my god, I lost way too much today. I don't want to lose that much. Oh, that would be me losing everything this week. Well, just on this account. This account had the most. It's about to break through. On the 1. We're selling. We're going down. We're going down. And if we really start pushing, I'll probably add. Risky. Need it risky. But I have become pretty confident in these breakouts. Bro, if it hits this, I only lose $16. This would be the super scalping strategy. 2, and then it broke past
Order filled.
dollars. There's a quick 5 to 1 here. But if we can come all the way down here and target here, that would be fantabulous. I feel like these cells are way more valid and that we're looking to fill the rest of this zone, even push past it or come bounce off of it and then go into buys. Bro, how the fuck did I end up with negative $238? Today was not a good day for me. I was not a consistent trader today. But that's okay. Some days we're gonna have our off days. Some days we're gonna have our overly confident days. And I was a little overly confident today because I was 6-0 this week. 6-0 this week. Now I'm 6-1. It's fine. I'm still up for the week. So now we are risk free. And I'm just gonna walk away because it broke out of this little 1 minute level, tapped 1, 2, 3, actually tapped a lot. So we should see a pretty big push down. I think I'm not even gonna. Yeah, we're just gonna leave it there. I'm still here. Market structure. Alright, we just broke past this on the 1 minute. This turtle suit. So technically we should push down. Okay. Let me just walk away, right? Just walk away, right? Right? I'm still here, guys. I'm still here. I'm still working up that psychology. And I think it's also because I just made this huge loss right here. That was a little over 1% of my account, which I don't want because I made about 2%. Well, in total, with all of my accounts in total, I made about 2%. So this kind of fucks me up because on this one account, just this one, I made a little over 1%. So I think this might be my profits for the week. I gotta recalculate, but there's 100 ticks at them. I know tickles would be like right here, but that's like, I mean, here. It's free. You should just chill. Just chill. Just chill. Just chill. 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 Just go all out here. That's my problem. I'm sitting here staring at the fucking profits. Usually I look at like how much I'm risking first, but yeah, I don't know what's up with me today. I don't know, but I'll have to. Market conditions are terrible today. Distracting myself. Instead of walking away, I'm just going. Something. If we are in this zone on the 15, we pass through this zone. Technically, our next zone should be here. 17,252. Seven. reject this. Are we rejecting and turning back around? What are we doing? The fuck are you doing, NQ?
Order filled.
NQ. Alright, we're gonna need to buy this again.
Order filled. Order filled.
$61. Alright, we about to just start scalping, yo. We about to just start scalping pretty hard. Because NQ doing things. NQ doing things that shouldn't be doing.
Order filled.
Okay, we got out of that. Alright. I'm about to start scalping. I'm scalping, bro. I'm scalping. You. Unless you're just retesting this breakout level. Not breakout level. Oh. Bro, I don't know what's going on with NQ today. It's 30-minute, or what is 30-minute too, but actually, let me see what it's looking like on the 1 hour. Oh, I see. First loss this week. I don't like Fridays. Fuck these Fridays. Fridays are usually really bad for me. I guess today it is. It's okay. We lose some, we win some, baby. Now I can take this and apply it to my next trade. Yeah, I lost a little over 1% today, which is fine. I'm still up. I think I made about, actually I think I made about 2% on this account this week. So this account specifically, and then I got these accounts. These are fine. I don't like any of these trades, to be honest. If I'm being real with you, I really don't like this. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna set an alert. Really wanted to still come down here on the 15. I really do. So if I were to even do that, I might swap over to gold really quick. I have this signals channel. Paid for, so I might as well fucking use it, right? Does look different. Oh, I forgot I was looking at gold. It's in a range as well. I think NQ is too. I think that's why it's acting like that. I really do feel we're gonna push up from here though. Like, I don't think we're gonna break past here. I think we're coming down here. to correct this and then push back up. But we gotta see. I'm not gonna sit here and try to predict the market, right? I gotta adapt and give me whatever the market gives me. Oh shit. My bad, I did not even see your comment. Yeah, to be honest, I don't know. Like, NQ's doing some dumb shit right now. I think it's just consolidating, and I think we really need to wait for it to go into this demand zone here. Right here on the 15 and see what it does. And then play off of that, or call it a day, because what the hell is NQ doing? Trade really was this morning. Like, I was gonna take this trade this morning right here. What's that? Right here, I was gonna take this trade. I saw this doji close here right before the kill zone. I was gonna hop into this trade, but it went against my rules that I wasn't gonna trade until this kill zone opens up. But it would have been okay. It would have been fine. But next time I know, you know, nice doji, because usually I notice, like, when a doji closes in a zone on a 15, it's a high probability that it's going to reverse, because the definition of a doji candle is it's a reversal candle. So if we got a reversal candle closing in a reversal zone, come on, common sense tells you it's going to reverse. So that would have been my entry. It would have been a very, very, very beautiful entry, but I missed it. It is what it is. I know for next time. This would have been a 50 tick stop. Easy 250 pips. Could have gone even more. Like, could have gone all the way to this next zone. I ain't even. Yeah, it did do the same yesterday. But typically, like, when I see that happening, I know it's a false breakout. So I'll get into a sell, expecting it to continue the false breakout. Because, I mean, London pushed up here for, actually it was Asian, some of Asian and all of London pushed up. So typically we would have to see some type of correction after this push up. So that's what I'm assuming is happening right now, to grab some liquidity so we can push back up. But it's moving so slow. Like, he's moving so slow. I don't typically see this thing move that slow like that. Well, all this week. Maybe it's because of news next week. Next week we have, we have PMI. Oh wait, we have PMI next week. What else do we have? I mean, we have unemployment claim this week, but we have CPI. We got CPI next week. That's why. That's why. I might be calling it a day. Did you get any trades today? Or did you take the same trade that I did and then it fucked you over? Hey, thanks for joining, by the way. I didn't even know you were in here. Are you in Juvier's Discord? I need to change this damn song. Tired of hearing that shit. I like this one. Well, I only do the 1 minute if it's in a zone. Like this would have been a good sell. I think I had got into a sell like, where the hell did I get into a sell at? I don't even remember. I don't even remember where I got into a sell at, but it would have been good if I just walked away from the damn screen. So, oh wow, beautiful. Well, I'm glad I can help teach in any way that I can. I mean, I'm still becoming profitable myself, but this week has been very nice for me. Very, very nice for me. It's just today. I don't know what's up with today. It's been a bad day. It's been a slow day. I think most of the volume was actually in Asian. That's why we're moving so slow right now in New York, which is weird because you don't really see that much volume in Asian, but maybe Asian was a continuation of yesterday's sell-off. So where is this is a huge fucking sell-off for Asian, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. But did you take any trades today, or are you still waiting? Share this tab instead because there's more visuals on here. Wait, why do I have two? I still think we're coming down. Oh, I think I got in here. I got into a sell right here on this 15. I got into a buy actually, but then I was like, okay, I think it's gonna sell. And then I sold and I went break even too quickly because the market's just unpredictable right now. You're in a sell? Nice. What's your entry? You're gonna get into a sell after this 1 hour closure here, or this doji. So I noticed when dojis close on the higher time frame, it's a lot stronger. See this 1 hour? This 1 hour doji here, and then boom. 1 hour doji. $17,343. Oh, nice, nice. That's where my entry was. Did you take that entry because I took that entry, or did we just have the same entry? We just have the same entry. And if we did have the same entry, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Usually when it's moving slow like that, I just don't like to, I really don't like to hold. I want to see it break. I want to see it go. It needs to go. At least that's what I've noticed on my back testing. I can show you. Actually, no, I can't. I don't know how to do that. Actually, I want to be able to get to that point and just give signals. That's my goal as a trader, so I can help. I want to help myself so I can help others. You know what I mean? Yeah. Are you at break even or what? really like breakouts. Because I want my money and I want it now. I want it in 5 minutes. Break even might be a good idea, to be honest, just because it's moving so slow. This is not a true breakout. I don't know what the hell this is. This is just consolidation. I truly feel we're gonna go into buys. That's my overall thought process of this. Because I think the original sell entry was literally up here, or right here. Could have been the second entry. I mean, right here could have been the second entry. First entry, second entry. How long have you been trading? This big loss that I have, though, I shouldn't have that loss. I shouldn't have moved my stop loss. That was stupid of me. I think that was the first time I moved my stop loss this week. I hope you're doing better, mental health wise. I hope you're doing better. Or you may be going through, you know, things get hard before it gets worse. So, I mean, things get hard before it gets better. I didn't mean to say that. Working at night's been a struggle since I sleep during the day, so I try to make it up on my nights off. Like nights, like third shift type shit? Like to 3 a.m.? Been a really nice that's 100 ticks. That would have been a nice 100 ticks, quick 100 ticks for you and me if I were to just held, but whatever, it's fine. Yeah, that's hard. That's definitely hard. But hey, good for you doing that shit. I'm actually about to start a job as a CNA. I'm gonna be working like to 11 p.m., which isn't that bad. Right now my job's in the morning, so I need a job at night. I just need a job at night. I mean, what I would say, well, you work 12-hour shifts, so it'll be hard to wake back up. Thanks. It'll be my first CNA job. I just got my certificate in December. Dude, bitch, doing all right. Let me just analyze. Cool. it is right here at this level. I'm just gonna put it here. Horizontal stick, actually. Turn off these skills. Excuse me. So this is where we are. This is what it's consolidating off of. This is a big reason why I feel like I'm going to go into buys, because we're not really rejecting below this huge consolidation area. I'm going to put this box above this level here, because when we broke past this level, we started going into a huge buy. So, and here as well, let's see, and here. All right, so we could potentially see a rejection from this level and then start pushing up, because if we do that, then we'll be creating, where's my damn circles? Okay, we have, just looking at price action here, just here, not looking over to the left too much, but right here we have a, if we come here, all right, and we close like this and then start pushing up, then we will have created a higher low, I mean a higher high, no, I'm sorry, higher low, this will be a lower low, and then we'll come here, and then if we do this, we'll do this, and then come back up here, and then like do something like that, or whatever. That is what I am expecting to play out if we stay above this level. Yeah, so we would have a low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Because if we were to look at this 4 hour too, I know he doesn't look at the 4 hour too much, but sometimes I like to go there because, like, see how this low, an Asian, came all the way down here to this 4 hour zone. So when we broke past here on the 4 hour, we just pushed up. So this could be like a pullback to this area to continue all the way. That's just crazy. Why don't you can't work weekends for those shifts? Because if you do 7 a.m. or 7 p.m. to 7 a.m., that's 3 days on, 4 days off, right? If I'm or is that 4 days on, 3 days off? Math. I think that's 3 days on, 4 days off. I think that's right. That's what I was looking to do, but I don't know if I want to. Let's keep those. Let's keep it. You're tired. I know you are exhausted, but hey, I love nurses. Thank you for being a nurse. You know, I know it's a hard job, but we appreciate you. Wait to be working with nurses. People keep telling me I'd be a good nurse, but to be honest, I just want to trade. I just want to trade. That's it. I mean, I could be a nurse or a CNA or something on the weekend, but I just want to trade. I like trading. I love it. Hey, new person, who are you? Show yourself. Show yourself. Give me your light. Give me your love. Oh, my little banner. Yeah, I'm down a bit. But we ain't gonna talk about it because we're not worrying about it. We are not worried about the loss. Hey, your cell's going off. It's doing good. I should have kept mine. Good job. Respect. Like it. I could have taken a sell here after this little broken. Here would have been good. This is originally where I wanted to take my sell, and I saw that Doshi close right there at the 5, but NQ's really been fucking me up. Oh no, I don't want to. I mean, I could, but I'm not that profitable yet. I mean, I am, but I've helped some people with their accounts. Like, I helped my one friend get him out of drawdown. So, I mean, I guess I'm good, but I don't know. I guess I need to build up more confidence. You can put TP at like the bottom of this, or at the top of this zone here, or you can just target like a 3-to-1. That's how I've been upping my confidence, is targeting a 3-to-1 and then letting a runner run to like a 5-to-1 or wherever it wants to run to. You don't necessarily have to target a level, you can just target risk. I learned that from Juvier and Scalp Guide. But damn, look at this shit. Ugh, I'm upset I didn't hold that. But I'm so glad that you got that shit, dude. I'm so happy. I'm happy for you. Cause this was literally the breakout strategy right here. The 1 minute breakout strategy. But it came back up, so. But he would have put his stops right here. This is where I believe Juvier would have, or Juvier would have, I keep saying his name wrong. He would have put his stops right here because it broke past this level where it touched multiple times. It even broke past this one multiple times. But yeah, I think he would have put his stops like right here. After it broke past this level, he would have put it above the second candle entry here, second candle, and then let it rock. NQ's just been fucking with me today, bro. It's really been fucking with me. Let's see, you said your entry was where mine was. So like right here. Yeah, I mean, you could literally go break even now. Probably be a good idea too. But yeah, your 3-to-1 would have already hit. Your 3-1 would have hit. You're almost at a 5-to-1 right now. Right here at oh wait, hold on. Right here at like 17,276.5. That's a 5-to-1 easy. Easy. See, we could be rejecting. Well, that's nice. I would have already closed because that 3-1 would have smacked that right in the middle. I mean, that's 250 tick profit. So you should have already closed at like 250 ticks. That's what he said to aim for. He said when it really breaks out. I mean, you can aim for like 250 ticks because it usually goes there easy. But you know, this 3-1 was nice too. This 3-1 would have been 159 ticks, easy. Might. Nah, because if I get in, that's me chasing. Yeah, I would be out already. I might be calling it a day. We're getting to around that lunchtime. And that's usually when, I mean, market's already fucking slow. I was gonna say that's usually when it starts slowing down, but shit is already slow. Like what? Like, huh? Yeah, this was a good trade though. I had 2 beautiful trades that played out, but I wasn't in any of them. I was in the losing one. Yada yada yada. But this is literally a super scalping strategy set up by Juvier, so I need to take a quick screenshot of this. So next time I know that it will play out. Are you still in the trade, or are you out yet? Because it looks kind of good, I'm not gonna lie. This shit is tanking, bro. I think it's coming down here, bro. Alert to go off for this demand zone. But remember, if we break past this low, we should tank even more. But if we respect this low, actually even if we respect this level, we should start pushing back. Oh wait, if we respect this level, we should start pushing back up. But yeah, my target's gonna get hit. It looks 17,250. Yes, sir. Yes, we will. $800 profit? Yo. Yay, good for you. Was that like a funded personal challenge account? What was it? Yes, we love to see everybody win. Yeah, I'm not in because I just can't. I just fucked it up. My emotions got into the play, so that's why I'm not taking any more trades. Um, nice. Trying to complete my first one with Topstep 2. I was really close actually once. I was like $1,000 away from passing. This was a couple weeks ago. I was too excited. I got overly confident, and then I just lost all of it. And then after that, I said, I'm not trading NQ anymore. Just gonna go to micros because shit be fucking me up. But nice, $800 profit. So what are you at? What are you sitting at now? How much more do you need to pass? Hey, all good, Ty. All good, Ty. I'm down too, bro. I mean, good thing I didn't copy trade, but I'm down and I don't really care because I know that next week we'll get it back or later today, but it's Friday. Damn, how'd you make $800 profit with micros? Did you use 5 micros? Sheesh. You must have used like 5 micros. How many, where'd you close at? So I can calculate. Let's see. Let's calculate that. So, 1 micro contract is, 4 ticks is $8. Damn, this thing is tanking. Oh God, I gotta start walking away from my damn screen more often. 8 micros. Wait, what size account do you have? I can't do 8 micros. I think it only lets me do like 5. I thought it was 4, but it's 5. Oh, okay, that makes more sense. I'm only on the 50K. I'm using the fire drill from Topstep. Only paying like $4.50 a month for the 50K. Wow, wow, wow. It's literally guys. The trade plays out. But sometimes I want it to play out faster than it actually is going to take. I should have walked away when I told myself to walk away. But it's okay. That's what Javier said. That's what we do. We walk away. That's what we do. Yeah, it keeps dropping. Don't get in. Don't chase it. Don't chase it. Don't do that. You already got your $800. You already got it. You don't need more, to be honest. I mean, if you want to take another one, just wait until it starts. Until the move is done. Because it's too late to get back in now. Well, I think at least. I think it's too late to get back in. That's just me. Look at this 5 minutes. Alrighty, bro. I'll see you later, bro. Have a good weekend. Stay safe. And I'll see y'all Monday, maybe. I think I'm working. But I'll see y'all next week. I'm actually going to get off myself. But yeah, like, subscribe, turn on that bell, so whenever I go live, y'all can join me. And we can trade together and win together. So we can all be in Dubai with Juvier soon. Alright, y'all. Take care. See y'all later.